So you take this is a 15/16 bolt. These are 19s all the way around. You got 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and 2 on each side. And then you loosen these 2 up with a 46, so you can center this out.
And we're doing all that because of this guy right there.
So once you loosen up all these bolts here, take off that center plate. Lay this on the ground here. You can see that's not that bad of a buildup. Get this fucking thing, it gouged my fucking the barrels all the way down. Fucking broke this. This sucks. These 2 are 46s, and there's a nut on the back. If you don't have 2 46s, you could get a 46 and a 1 and 13/16. So we took out these 3 bolts and we cleaned up the grout that builds up around here on the inside. Put the O-ring in, and now we're buttoning up the gouges that piece of steel put in my cylinder, because I'm not going to get cylinders for about 2 weeks. So I'm going to have to do this again with new cylinders. And for now, I'm going to keep pumping with it like that. So we got our plate cleaned up. We got our mirror plate ass end cleaned up. We got where our wear plate's going to go cleaned up. Got everything cleaned up. Now I'm trying to put these O-rings in, silicone it. These O-rings go right here. And after you put those O-rings on, you silicone it, put it back together. So once you silicone it all up, in this case I'm putting extra silicone because I know it's going to leak back there. Then you bolt it up and tighten it down. So your next step would be to slide in this rock valve after you got your bolts tightened. And then as you're sliding in your rock valve, you wiggle on this, and then you push forward on your rock valve. Then we put in this plate, slides over this shaft, the rock valve shaft. Then you tighten up those bolts, the 30mm bolts all the way around. Then you add in this little ring, that's your bolt holding ring, because you don't want to kill this on, tighten it down. You tighten it down all the way, and then you turn it 1 bolt hole backwards after you tighten it with a wrench. So there's going to be a 65, and this is a 15/16. And then we're almost done. That's everything got together. You're going to want to put some lithium oil grease or something there before you shift it over, so you don't burn it up.